Good morning, this is Brenda Dearman, broker. I'm here in front of Royal Highlands in Leesburg. It's just up the road from Claremont and Orlando and really close to the Florida Turnpike. We're going to go in here and see what kind of trouble we can get in today. Bye-bye. This is the pickleball court that I couldn't get in, but as you can see, they're in there, and there's a lock on the door. But it's interesting. Here's the ball field. It's at the very beginning of the subdivision. Here's some of the houses. Some of the smaller houses are frame. A lot of them are block and stucco, and some of them are siding and frame. And as you can see, these look like frame ones. Most of them have a little bit brick on them. And you look across the street and you can see water. There's a lot of lakes in here. It's really a really nice view you can look at out there and see all the lakes. It's very relaxing. This is early in the morning. Well, not too early. It's after 10 o'clock. People out there bicycling, walking, getting their exercises. See, there's water on both sides. Okay, we're at the activity center. Now, these people are actually playing tennis out there enjoying herself. And here is water aerobics class. Look at them, they've got their hats on because they don't want to get too much sun. This lady back here in the back, I don't know if she's doing aerobics or not, but maybe she wants to be social distance. Here's your shuffleboard court. Has so many things to do. You're never going to get bored. I think this is the bocce ball place. Nobody playing ball right now. But they'll get around to it. You don't have to have any particular time schedule. Just come and play and do whatever that you enjoy. Another look at the tennis court over there. Okay, they're playing tennis. Just enjoying life. That's what you have to do. Now we're back over here past the swimming pool. And this thing looks like a greenhouse. Wonder what they're building in there. So let's take a peek. It's really interesting what's in here. Ta-da! It's an indoor pool. I don't know why those people aren't in there doing their aerobics, because they won't get too much sun, won't have to wear their hats. Now we're inside the activity center. Seeing all the tables, or you can do whatever you want to do there. This is a craft room. A couple of people were in there doing something. And then we're going on down the road. Here's the billiard room. We've got quite a few of pool tables in here. Everybody that likes to shoot pool. It's always a lot of fun. Doesn't look like you're gonna run out of tables, because this is more than I've seen at most. Here's more tables for your cards and games. Mahjong's a big thing. Here's your library. If you just want to sit by the pool or just sit in your lanai. Yeah. A lot of things. There's all kinds of games you can play. Here they are. Sign up for it. Here's the tennis. Here's your pickleball. Sign up. Gives you a little sign-up sheet there. And on the other side, all the other things. So you just sign up and see what's going on. Outside here, there's those little buildings are where you come and get your mail. Give you an opportunity to get out and either go for a walk, get in your golf cart, or just drive up here and speak to people. This is called a Great Hall. This is where they have their big events or big dances, big dinners. This is kind of half because that wall's pulled halfway. I didn't go all in there because they're cleaning that today. Here's all the items that you can do. Here's your line dance sign up. I'm enjoying that. And all the other items that you can sign up for. See who's going to come in. You're going to play cards or whatever you're going to do that day or that week. They keep tabs on it. Here's the next building over. This is where you don't have to cook at all. You just go here and they have a restaurant. Just go right in there and have your dinner or your lunch. It's called the 19th hole. After you've done 18 holes of golf, you want to do something, go in there and have a drink or some food, lunch. Nobody's eating right now. It's still a little early unless they had some breakfast earlier. But in that same building, here's your menu. You can decide what day that you want to eat in there or maybe just carry it out. All this, plan your day. And then in that same building is where is the pro shop.
I'll put it on my resume.
You can buy just about anything you need in there if you're a golfer or want to buy some Christmas presents, don't want to leave the compound. Plenty of places. Outside here's your golf course. Very lush looking. I love the look of the golf course. I don't play golf, but I love the last two houses I had were in golf course community because it's so nice. It's so peaceful looking out and seeing all that. You can see some wildlife out there as well. The cranes. Cranes are nice. Here's some of the larger houses. And they have beautiful view as well. Right across the street is the golf course. So you can look here across the street. And this is what you can look at and see that guy's walking. Everybody walks. More and more people walk, get out and walk, especially in the morning. It's good exercise for you. Here's the turnpike, not very far. And then as you can see, there's a medical building. It's only like a block away from the Royal Highlands. So if you get sick or anything, this is a South Lake Hospital. Has doctors in there, and it has an emergency in there. So I guess if you get sick and you're really close, you can drag yourself to the hospital. Just a block away. They're in the emergency, and you're overlooking the Florida Turnpike. You get on the turnpike, go north. They've got new sections. They got a section that goes north, and 5 miles south of it is the section you go south, depending on where you want to go. So this is your hospital. And that, my friends, is Royal Highlands. Royal Highlands isn't that far away from Orlando, even Claremont. I do a lot of information on Claremont, but it's only a 20-minute drive and like 12 minutes up there, 12 miles, not 12 minutes, but 12 miles up there, so it's not that far. It's a little bit farther. It's in Leesburg and not in Claremont, but you save a lot of money if you move up just a tad. Right up there, their HOA is $169 a month. The rub is you have to mow your own grass, but you can hire someone to do that. That's compared to if you were in Claremont, it would be over $300. So there's a big savings. And also the price, you can get something $169,000 in Royal Highlands, all the way up to $300 if you want to pay that much. So there's a lot of variables there and some savings for you as well. And the smaller homes, some of the smaller homes that are only like 1,100 square, the laundry room would be in the garage. You would because there's not that much square footage, so you would be doing your laundry in the garage, which you'll see from some of the pictures I took that a lot of them will have screens on the front of their garage, so they can raise that up if they're out there doing laundry or doing whatever. Then they can have some breeze that comes in. Some people go out, if they're smokers, a lot of times they'll go out there and they will smoke in the garage instead of in the house as well. So there's a lot of things to think about. The transfer fee on that is still, it's only $125 like most of them. So you're not going to be paying $2,000 or $2,500, any of that. And you have all of the amenities, you know, the softball, the pickleball, and the tennis. If you're not familiar with pickleball, I don't play pickleball, but the way I'm seeing, they have a larger rack and a bigger ball. It looks to me like the old badminton, only bigger. But people like that, and I tried to get in there, but it had a lock on the gate when they were playing pickleball. So I've been kicked out of worse places than that, of the pickleball court this time. But anything that I can help you with, just remember that I've been in Florida since 1996, originally from Indianapolis. And I've been up and down this road for a long time. You may wonder why I'm not showing you films on any 55 plus in Orlando. Actually, most of Orlando is not, they do not have the, I guess, the legal ways to have a 55 plus. So you have to be out a little bit ways. Lake County is where a lot of them are, and then Kissimmee has some as well. But if you wanted to be right in Orlando, they're not licensed for that, but they do have a few. I can't say they don't have any, but the majority of them are in the surrounding counties for that. So anything you need, just let me know. I will be doing a video for other 55 plus as the year goes by, once a week. And I'd love to help you. I've been doing this for over 40 years. And have any questions, I might have the answer, but if I don't, I can certainly find it for you. Goodbye for now, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.